Hi everyone! So today, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako nagbabayad or how I fund my Seedin account through BDO bills payment online. So, I hope meron kayong matutunan dito. So, let's start! Okay, so andito po tayo sa website ng Seedin. So, i-click lang natin yung sign in. So, since andito na yung account ko, click lang natin yung sign in. And from here, my account will click on profile. Okay. So from profile here, we will click on top up. So top up fund, since we are using online BDO online, so click on online banking. And then we'll check here BDO online bills payment. So we will put in here the amount, which is I can put 2000 and then click on submit. Okay. So here we can read this one here. The order and payment information. So i-check natin mabuti kung tama ba ito yung amount. And then click on I agree on the terms and conditions. And let me drop. Click on the preferred. So we will click on BDO Uniba, the online bills payment. So click in here. And then transaction is pending. To complete your purchase, follow the payment instructions sent to your email. So click on continue. Okay, so now we are going to check on our email. So we'll go to our. Okay, so we are here in our inbox. So we will gonna check yung sinend nila. This is from Seedin. So pending payment. To pay, log in to this link via mobile app and go to bills payment. Select biller, pay express, dynamic technologies Inc. And we need our subscriber's name. We need this one. So we need to copy this one. Okay. Okay, let's check the other email. Okay, you have submitted the bank transfer details, transfer number, the amount. Okay, so let's go back to the first email and then we're gonna follow the link. Okay, so andito tayo sa website ng BDO. So, ang gagawin ko lang dito is mag-login lang ako dito. And then, yung OTP number, isa-send nila sa aking phone. So, tingnan ko lang siya. Tapos, i-input ko dito sa so, double check ko lang. Okay, kung tama siya, click lang natin yung proceed. Okay. So, dito, piliin natin yung pay bills and click on bills payment and then pay bills. Okay. Now, paydays company biller. So, hanapin natin yung kanina na Pay Express. So, Pay Express Technology Inc. Ito po siya. And then, ilagay lang natin yung amount, which is 2,000. And, lagay natin dito ng Seedin fund payment. Dito sa subscriber number, ito yung kinapi-paste natin kanina doon sa email natin. And then, ilagay lang natin yung pangalan natin for the subscriber name. And then, click on submit. So, sabi niya dito, please check your account balance before making another transaction. So, tama siya. So, i-click lang natin yung continue. So, meron pa rin tayong marireceive na OTP number. So, I think for security reason, kaya sila send ng send to 14 9. So, yung latest is 1 5 4. And then, click ulit natin. Okay, so ito na po yung resibo natin. Ito yung details summary. Ito yung reference number. Ito yung company na binayaran natin. Pwede nating i-print ito for our copy or pwede nating i-save sa ating computer. So, yan po. Tapos na po tayo sa ating payment. Mag-antay lang tayo ng I think mga 2 to 3 days bago mag-reflect sa ating account doon sa Seedin. Okay, so I hope meron kayong natutunan dito. Keep on investing. Salamat!